is plotting. Okay, so whatever work we do, in the end we would like to get some graphs through which we can understand as to what is it that we are doing. So let's do that. All right, so let us say uh, the nice thing about Mathematica is that you can directly plot analytical functions. You don't have to really come up with these matrices and stuff. So let us say I want a line plot. Okay, so let us say plot simple. So name some function. So let us say x square. Okay, so x is in blue color, so you know it is unknown. No value has been defined for x. Now, what is the range in which you would like to plot it? So let us say I want to plot it from x going from -2 to 2. Okay, so this is what I would like to plot, and I would like to have line width of 2 for this particular plot. Uh, there is some problem. Okay, let me leave this line width plot. Okay, so now it gives me this particular plot for x square. Okay, now instead, if I wanted sine, let us say pi into x. Okay, so then it's showing me the plot of sine pi x. Okay, let us say I wanted sine h of pi x from -2 to 2, sine h of pi x of -2 to 2. So anything that you want really. Okay, so you can do a plot of this. Now let us say so let us say I'm going to do plot 3D plot 3D. Okay, so up till now we have been looking at functions in one direction. Okay, so plot 3D is something that you can use in order to generate function plots in both x and y. So let us say I had something like sine x square plus y square. Okay, and I wanted to plot this from x going from 0 to 1 and y going from 0 to 1. Okay, so then it gives me a height plot. So now it gives me a height plot of what happens to this sine x square plus y square. So you know that a sine function can have a maximum value only of 1. Okay, so and also a maximum value of only 0 to 1. So fine, so you have this thing. mm, yeah, yeah, and then fine. Okay, so instead of plot 3D, another thing that we tend to do is to make contour plots. Okay, now what are contour plots? What are contour plots? What is what is the contour in a contour plot?
Equipotential surface.
These are basically, you can say, equipotential, or each contour line or a curve over here corresponds to all the points where the function value is constant. Okay, so you can do a contour plot. Okay, and within the contour plot you may decide as to how many contours you want, and there are a whole bunch of other options which you can mention over here.